dough, weed, cash, everything going now the nigga is older, but not wiser. Plus the shine that he got now got it posing like Osman and the whole block watching that blink, analyzing, describing. The next little nigga that smacks his diamond, smacks his iron with the back of an iron. You lying to tell me he's Trump parole. When they see him, they fire the shots. He ain't get back to the block. He comes out for shows, tours and clothes and occasional hoes. These niggas set him up with the bad one after the show. He even went back to his home. Perfect. 2 in the morning. The plan is to run into the left bedroom with the cats do fucking up the dump one and a duck 2 in a bucket up the wall. Cause this is what the fallen dogs. The didn't make it through the war. Couple more hours to end this animosity. The run to the door singing. Lord bless our souls. And the devil got my heart out cold. And everything's a hold now. Pray. Still step out, dress and kill. Spark the L, rock the deal. Like the squill, the MC overkill. Certified solar dust, 35 bill. Jumping out planes, that's the name. Cotton the flame, back to relief the pain. Ain't an inch before, don't piss the code. Hit the safe for case, should've switched the code. Never sneak a pound through custom drug hounds. Now to rob the neighborhood wall bounds. Me and my man jumping out the pants. Tapping the jaw like Sugar Ray did the red. I execute like wars in the blue. 22-inch rims, the parachute out, but that's cool. The rhythm hitter without the venom, and the venom scatter with the shit. I pull out the jungle and dog style, the girl smoking the lot. I been had a demo before, God and I put straight up cash out the car lot. Blow out your 4 knots to your car swat. Right off your ear for a silver deal. Switch from bed to boy, give you private clear. If you don't go to click, then you're smoking wet. Go back that squad from the Jersey set. Wild the fuck out, smoke the fuck out, drink the fuck out, break the fuck out, fuck the fuck out, scream the fuck out, black the fuck out, act the fuck out. Feel it in your body, shake your stick. Do you feel it in your body, shake your stick? Cheat you choke, I'm reaching up. Right under the call, it's like the kick on spawn. Active frequency, trip the car along. Got moves to make, choose the day to day, you hallucinate. Smoking the out without warm. Torn ghettos, opposite of good fellows with arrows. To any brother who rock the mic arrow. Got your wife saying, not tonight, hello. Money talk, bullshit, walk ass fist. I'm the Baptist for raw seeds with hashes. You need classes for practice, to tap this, Jurassic, crap jack, nasty ass bitch. Hot potato, drop the data, culture, emancipation, proclamator. Knock shit down, cop the pound. Now, as a juvenile, broke his ass off canal. Brick City be the pros and while now. All that the mouth get dressed like $1,000 now. Got a degree on the hash of the beat. Crash in the beat while we master the beat. I'm beast by the body, my cause of low knowledge. Knock out, big jaja, before cha-cha. Spit something to you to turn your eyes cock out. Now with the outside. Picking up the pinning and the twirling. Got impact like DJ through on vigilance. Hit you with your thongs and your Timberland. Fuck ya, rob me a cop, say it's the jump the fuck out, jump the fuck out, sweat the fuck out, pass the fuck out, back the fuck out.